guys, welcome back to the Kade Bracecraft YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna be making an exhaust system out of PVC pipe. First off, we're gonna get this truck up in the air and we're gonna map out the exhaust system, what we need to buy from Home Depot. So the car is up in the air, but I did see one problem we're gonna have with the exhaust system. There's something stuck right in the exhaust tip over here if you look. So our goal is to get this exhaust clamp off right here. We're gonna get everything cleared off all the way back. We're gonna mock it up with the white PVC pipe, kind of see what we need to buy for the angles and crap like that. The muffler's coming off, catalytic converter's coming off, and we're gonna come all the way back up to right here where it's connecting. All right, so we just tried to take off that flange with the bolts. The bolts are completely rusted out, so we have to Sawzall it off. It's our only option. All right, the catalytic converter's cut off. We're gonna move on to the next thing. There it goes. All right, we just got the exhaust system completely off. This is the exact design we're gonna have to match with the PVC pipe from Home Depot. All right, we found the PVC pipe. So we got two 10-foot sections of 2-inch pipe, and we're gonna grab some elbows to connect all of it. All right, we're checking out. Just got the two pipes and all the couplers. All right, we just got back from Home Depot. Before we start installing the PVC pipe, we wanna get a baseline of what this thing sounds like. Let's start it up. That sounds mean! All right, my buddy Nick is with us here. He's gonna help us install the PVC exhaust. We're gonna start by cutting the 6-foot span of pipe that's gonna connect from the headers out towards the back. All right, we're gonna glue the coupler on now. Yeah! All right. That's where we're connecting it up there. All right, I am currently putting on this tin foil wrapped with duct tape so I can fit this flange onto the stock exhaust. I'm putting the screws in for the flange right now. We got the tin foil inside the pipe, and now we're just securing it down with fence screws. All right, so we got the final piece in here. We're about to glue her down. This is the angle we're looking at. It's gonna spit flames. All right, the PVC pipe exhaust is 100% complete. We're now gonna start it up and see what she sounds like. Wow. It's actually quieter. All right, the exhaust system is absolutely perfect. It's impeccable. So now we're gonna go to the store and grab a bunch of crazy stuff to shoot out of the back. All right, we're at the Dollar Tree right now. We're about to go get a whole bunch of stuff to jam down the exhaust pipe. We can put these down one by one and then blast them out like a rainbow. Oh, yeah. Do you think if you put it down, it would make bubbles out of the back? We got a whole bunch of fun stuff. All right, we just got back from the dollar store. We got a bunch of fun things to jam down this exhaust pipe. We're gonna start off with this pool floaty right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. All right, next up is the Barbie doll. All right, next up we got the Cheetos. And the tater tots.
Oh my god, that literally looks like a turd.
It's like captions. That's a lot. me get on. Plunge it.
Oh no. Okay,
That's
okay,
good,
that's
that's
good.
good, that's good.
Alright,
That's
man, I'm
good.
just going full ham on this. Like,
Dropping the doll now. All right, next up, we're gonna shoot bubbles out the back. Jeez, man. Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was an absolute blast. We have such a mess here on the floor. It is absolutely crazy. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.